Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today we are making my Winter Wonderland gingerbread cake. Okay, so this is basically just like my dream Winter Wonderland, Candyland, where everything's pink and made of sugar and covered in frosting. This cake is great for the holidays because it's all made out of Rice Krispies treats, so it's super easy, no bake recipe. If you saw my last video, you know exactly how to make these pink edible Christmas trees. You can definitely make them any color you want. I just added them to the top of this no-bake gingerbread Rice Krispies treat cake just to create a whole whimsical, edible, sugary Winter Wonderland. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. So we start with the Rice Krispie treat gingerbread cake. I did gingerbread because it's perfect for the holidays, but you can do any flavor you want if you want to do classic Rice Krispie treats or use a real cake, whatever you like. As always, I'll leave the full written instructions for you guys down below, but I want to know, does it snow where you live? Because here in LA, it does not snow. So leave me a comment, let me know where you live and if it snows in the winter time where you are. So for the cake, we're just gonna line two 6-inch round cake pans with some plastic wrap and spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. Then we're gonna melt our butter in a large saucepan, and then we add in the spices. Once that's nice and melted, stir those in, followed by the molasses to give that really great gingerbread taste. Then we add the marshmallows on low heat, stirring until they're fully melted and ooey gooey and delicious. Then go ahead and remove it from the heat, and we're gonna pour this over our Rice Krispies treat cereal in a large bowl and just stir everything together until the cereal is well coated, and at this point it already smells so delicious, you guys. Then just go ahead and divide the mixture between the two prepared pans and press it down gently with some greased hands until it's all flat and level on top, making sure the mixture is pressed into the corners of the pan so we get that perfect cake shape. Now we're just gonna pop these in the fridge for about 30 minutes so the Rice Krispies treats have a chance to cool down and set up so they really hold their shape. Okay, so the Rice Krispie treat cake is ready. Now we're just gonna go ahead and frost it. You can use any kind of frosting you want. You can even use a can of the store-bought frosting, or you can use homemade vanilla buttercream, whatever you like. So just place one layer on a serving platter, and we're gonna spread some frosting right on top. And just spread it all the way to the edges so when we add our second layer, you kind of see it peeking out of the middle of the cake. Then go ahead and place your second layer on top, upside down, so the flat part is facing upward. And go ahead and pile on some frosting right on top to make it kind of look like fluffy snow. And just spread that out with your spatula, and then you can go ahead and add a little mound where we're gonna place our little gingerbread house. Now this little mini gingerbread house is optional. You can use a little gingerbread man cookie. You could use whatever you like. So I just used some graham crackers for the gingerbread house and cut each square in half. Then you're gonna create all the little pieces for the gingerbread house. So that's gonna be 2 squares for the sides, a front and a back, and then 2 rectangles for the roof. Then I just cut out a little door, and I just added some sprinkles to decorate the little house and added it right on top of the mound of frosting on top of the cake. Then to turn this into a Winter Wonderland, I added my Rice Krispie treat Christmas trees that I made in my last video, and we dust with powdered sugar snow. How cool would that be if it really snowed powdered sugar? Then I would definitely want snow in LA. What's that song? If all the raindrops were lemon drops and okay, you know where I'm going with this. Okay, and now get creative and decorate your Winter Wonderland however you like. And I just added some little candies as steps, a little lollipop and mini marshmallows to decorate this into a fun little festive scene. For the finishing touch, I added a little stripey straw with a candy on top to kind of look like a North Pole sign. Just totally customize it and have fun. How cute did this turn out? It's just so whimsical and magical and perfect for the holidays. If you guys give this a try, be sure to go follow me on social media. Tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations and see all of your custom Winter Wonderland cakes. And if you guys loved this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more just like it, and then go check out my other no-bake holiday cake. It's so cute. There's a little chocolate reindeer on it, and it's just so simple and elegant and also perfect for the holidays. So there you have my whimsical pink Winter Wonderland cake. Thank you guys so much for watching and leaving me comments. You're the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye. It's not the freaking cutest Winter Wonderland cake you've ever seen, and the whole thing is no bake. It's all made out of Rice Krispie treats, so it's super easy for around the holiday times when you're super busy. Check out the full tutorial on my YouTube channel. How cute!